For each phase, we try to make the spaces feel different, so usually that's one of our goals, and that helps again with wayfinding, so you know where you are in the building. It's almost designing a city where it's not like the whole city looks the same. Like usually, like there's different neighborhoods in different parts of the city, and people will be attracted to the ones that they like most.
So in phase 1 and 2 we had different concepts. One was quite shiny with the brass, and phase 2 was more focused on the green. In phase 3 we want to keep it very simple and silent, and we focus more on using warm and very natural textured materials like cork and felt, and giving a clear orientation in this crazy innovative space that we're creating.
CIC is designed for interaction. We dedicate a large amount of our floor plan to social areas like the kitchen or living rooms, and we try to optimize our floor plans for social collision. With all of these different spaces, we try to create a holistic environment where people can thrive and businesses can grow.